Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss an idiom, hit the books. Hit the books. Come, let's get into the lesson. It literally means to physically hit, punch, or slap your reading books. However, hit the books is a commonly used expression among students who have a lot of studying to do. So, the real meaning is a way of informing others that you are going to study. So, the real meaning for the idiom hit the books is to study hard, cram often intensely. If you need to study hard or if you are going to cram for your exam intensely, you can use this idiom, hit the books. Look at the example sentence. My exams are around the corner, so I would better start hitting the books. When you are in this situation, you can inform your friends by using the idiom, hit the books. Here is a conversation for you. Meena and Veena are talking. Meena, hey, would you like to watch a movie tonight? Would you like to watch a movie tonight? Veena, I wish, but I have a test in maths tomorrow. I need to hit the books. It means Veena is going to write a test tomorrow, so she has to study hard for the exam. So she is not able to watch the movie tonight. Next conversation, Jerry and John are talking. Jerry, I don't understand this physics topic. I got a D grade on this test. Jonah, oh, I guess you need to hit the books. You need to hit the books means you need to study hard to understand the physics topic. So, hit the books means to study hard. Hope you have liked this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.